Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Shopify e-commerce store. First, you will choose a memorable name and secure your domain, which is crucial for branding. Next, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business size and budget. Options range from basic to advanced. Finally, personalize your store's appearance by choosing and customizing a theme to match your brand's unique style and appeal to your target audience. Once your store's foundation is set, it is time to add your products. Ensure you use high-resolution images and detailed descriptions to showcase each item effectively. Group similar products into collections, making it simple for customers to navigate your offerings. Then, set up your payment processing. Shopify Payments is a popular choice, allowing you to accept major credit cards and other methods seamlessly, ensuring a smooth checkout experience for your buyers. Now, let's talk about getting your products to customers and attracting them in the first place. You will need to configure your shipping settings, including rates and zones, to ensure accurate delivery costs. Next, begin with some fundamental search engine optimization, or SEO, to help potential customers discover your products online. Finally, craft and launch your first marketing campaigns, perhaps using social media or email, to generate initial interest and drive traffic to your new store. With everything in place, it is almost time to launch. Before going live, conduct a comprehensive review of all your store settings, from product details to checkout processes. Once launched, actively monitor your sales performance and gather customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Remember, an e-commerce store is an evolving entity. Regularly update your product offerings and adapt your marketing strategies to keep your business thriving and competitive in the online marketplace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.